What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I am going to make a quick run through for anybody who may be considering the ARC Ultra. So I just did an unboxing video and it was pretty lengthy. You know, I just took everything out of the box, really talked about, you know, how I'm gonna be integrating it into the home, but I just want to do a quick run through. So here's the deal. We have some serious sound advancements. Basically, from an EQ standpoint, this thing's gonna perform better. We got 3 extra woofers in it. We got better frequency response, lot better quality audio, essentially is the big one. In addition to spatial audio enhancements and their voice control enhancements for multi-room voice control. The Sonos ARC has been one of our crowd favorites. We sell a ton of those puppies, and I actually have 2 in my home right now, one in the guest bedroom and one in my primary bedroom. And I'm gonna be replacing the one in my primary bedroom with this bad boy, and in upcoming episodes, I'm gonna be doing a battle side by side and let you know how significant the upgrades are. But from my research and what I do know about the product, just getting it out of the box, we're talking about some sound enhancements, better spatial audio, and better voice control. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product or anything home theater related, reach out today for a free consultation. In upcoming episodes, I'm gonna be taking you through my entire home here and giving you a run through of how I leverage Sonos's UI for whole house audio, as well as some killer spatial audio home cinema experiences. Well, I hope you guys found a little inspiration, got the facts you needed on this new product. If you have further questions, reach out and pick our sales rep's brain, and they will create a full-blown system design tailored specifically to your budget and your needs. All right, guys, well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.